Hi to all, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to use field command for title block to make it automation for the title blocks. I have created some demo drawing for the purpose of showing how to use the field command. We will see that one. I have created 5 layouts named as 1012, 105. And this title block I already made xref and uploaded in these drawings. I'm gonna delete all the existing properties which I have made it, and I will show from the scratch how we will do that one. So this is the existing demo title block which I have created for this video purpose only. So if you want to create your own title block, you can add the items or details whichever you want to add it based on your requirement. Here I have drawing number, drawn by, checked by, approved by, date, scale, sheet number and revisions. Then you have to type DWG props and you can customize whatever are the detail you want to mention, like project name, and you can give the value tab, what value has to be shown in the field. So I am giving xxx. So likewise you can use for the all properties and you can give the value which one want to show in the title block. So I am filling all the property name and values. You can use your own property name and value based on your requirement. So once we filled this property and value name, I will show you how we can add it in the field tab. Now I have almost completed all the property name and value. Then create the em text on the required column, right click and make it insert field, or the shortcut is Ctrl F. Then go to the document and you will see all the properties which you have entered in the DWG props command tabs. So once you are giving the respective text, for example the project name, it will show the exact value which you have entered in those property. So I am copying the same to everywhere and I am double click for editing those text and changing the document for the respective values. You can see now, so once I am editing that file category, automatically it's editing the value also. So I am editing all the commands. Drawing number, you see, double click and click the drawing number, the value will show automatically. Same likewise, for example date, the date is showing. Same like sheet, scale, sheet and revision number. Once you have completed, for the sheet number, if you want to use the tab name, you can go to the other system variable and there is a system variable called CTAB. If you are clicking CTAB, it will take the value from the current tab. So if you are changing the tab name to some other value, for example if we need like 1 of 5 or 1 of 2, 1 of 3 like that, so this 05, the total sheet number will be fixed. So you can edit that one manually And if you want to get the 01 from the current tab, you can use the variable in the diesel expression. I will put this text in the description so you can copy those. This one, subtract string get variable from current tab, and from the starting to how many digits, and from those digits it will take the last how many digit you need. For example, if you saw that one, you can see in this one I am taking from first 3 letters and I need the last 2 letter from the first 3 letter. That's why I am using this diesel expression. You can copy the same diesel expression if you want to use the same tab value to your CAD file also, and you can put it in the field tab. If you are changing the current tab value, this will change automatically. If it is not changed, just type regenerating, then it will be regenerated automatically with the new value. See, I entered 106, then I given RE, so it changed automatically to 06. Now I am typed back 101, again RE, came back to 01 of 05. Same like this, if you want to change other properties, you can go to the drawing properties panel, custom, you can edit the value of those. Then you can do regeneration, automatically it will change the value of the specific items. The same diesel expression you can copy and paste it wherever you need. For example, the drawing number I am putting the same diesel expression, insert field, and I am entering those diesel expression. You can see here it will take the current tab value and how much digit you need, it will take automatically. I am changing that one to 106. See, it's changing automatically 106, and I'm changing to 101 and regenerating the layout. It changed automatically to the respective value. I hope this video helps for you to understand the automating of the layout. Thanks for watching. Thank you.